Good morning, Year 3 Amber. Mr. Goodall here. I hope you've had a great weekend. In this maths lesson, we will be looking at fractions. So our LI for this lesson is to find equivalent fractions to a half. So some of you might be thinking, I've never dealt with fractions before. How do they work? What we're going to do first is we're going to start off with some number lines. So we can find the halfway point between that number and 0, and then we will record that halfway point in a fraction. So I'll show you on a piece of paper just in case it didn't make sense. So here we have some number lines. So on our first one, the number line goes up to 2. We're going to find the halfway point, which here is 1. Which makes this 1/2. So 1 out of 2, 1/2. So let's do this number line, and then I'll leave you to do the two other number lines on your own. So here we have a number line going up to 4. So let's find the halfway point between 0 and 4. In this case, the halfway point is 2. So this is 2/4, which is equivalent to 1/2. So let's see if you can find the halfway point on these two remaining number lines on your own. So for this next number line, we have a number line going up to 8. So if we count down 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4 is the halfway point. So this is 4/8, which is equivalent to 1/2. So let's go down from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So this is 5. 5/10, so 5 out of 10, which is the halfway point, is equivalent to that of a half. So what we're going to do next is find the half fractions in a group of fractions. So for our first fractions question, we have 4 quarter fractions. So we have 3/4, 4/4, 1/4, 2/4. Let's find which fraction is equivalent to the half, so halfway between 4 and 1. 4 and 0, and that is 2/4. So have a go at the rest of these questions. Find the halfway point between the top number and 0, and circle the fraction which marks the halfway point and is equivalent to that of a half. Please pause the video here whilst you do so. So, out of 6, so we have 2/6, 1/6, 4/6, 3/6, 6/6, and 5/6. So the halfway point between 6 and 0 is 3/6. So we're now on to the 8th. So as we said on number line already, the halfway point between 8 and 0 is 4. So that is 4/8. Likewise, in the 10ths, the halfway point between 10 and 0 is 5/10. So if you got any of these right, well done to you indeed. So I hope you enjoyed this starter lesson on fractions. So in the next lessons, we'll be looking at thirds and other types of fractions. So as I said, hope you enjoyed this lesson. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.